Yes. Guys, you know what I love? The coffee maker.
Yes. And the coffee is so fresh.
And there are so many flavors.
Hazelnut, mocha, peppermint.
We can even make espresso.
Looks like somebody's going to be making a doppio later.
Hey, you guys, we're a bunch of coffee lovers, aren't we?
Yeah. We love coffee, and we love the coffee maker.
Hey, give me those Hong Kong numbers, all right? Hello, everyone. Just wanted to let you know we've decided who to promote to the next senior management position. It was an easy choice, and we went with a coffee maker. He's been doing a great job. We all love him. He does a great job making coffee, and he's exceeded every goal he's placed on himself for this quarter. So, let's just congratulate him on a job well done.
The coffee maker is our boss now.
Boss, our coffee maker.
He's your manager now! Good job.
Whatever. It's not like the coffee maker's really our boss.
Yeah.
Hey, speaking of coffee, why don't we brew up those dopios we were talking about earlier, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, it's not working. I've never noticed this light before. It says quarterly reports.
But those aren't due until next week.
Actually, guys, mine are done already.
Guys, I think we won't get coffee unless we do our reports.
Come on, the coffee maker wouldn't do that to us. Ah! Man, it's hot!
It's mine for me.
Ah, Jesus, I keep burning myself.
The coffee maker's never burned anyone.
Wait a minute. Phil, I think you're fired.
What? The coffee's just hot. There's nothing wrong with that. Come on. Whoa. The coffee maker just called the gorilla security on me? Did I really just get fired? I'll kill you, you fucking coffee maker! After everything I've done for you, you heartless piece of shit! You can't do this to me! I have 2 kids in college and a fucking alimony to pay for! Yeah, that's right! I got a divorce and didn't tell anybody about it! And now I'm gonna get fired by a fucking machine that makes coffee? Yeah, right! I wanna unplug you and strangle you with your own cord, you son of a bitch! K-cups are awful, you bitch! Yeah, big man on the table sitting there by yourself! Oh yeah, once you get your hands off me, you damn dirty gorilla!
I can't believe the coffee maker fired Bill.
Guys, are we next? Bill got divorced?
The espresso's done.
And there's cinnamon in it.
I could definitely go for a jolt of that delicious Joe right now.
Hey, coffee maker. Look, me and some of the guys are leaving early and grabbing a drink, and since you're senior management now, we thought maybe you'd like to join us. What do you say? Awesome, my man. First round of shots are on me. All right. Hey, did you guys see Bill in the hallway? He's freaking out.
Who is that? Whatever, let's go to lunch.
Yeah. See you there. I forgot my purse. We have to stop sneaking around like this.